Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our amazing content. Today, I want to talk to you about a game-changing product that will take your instrument to the next level. I'm talking about the Contact Rubber For Korg PA60 PA80 PA800 PA2X PA3X PA4X PA3XPRO PA2XPRO PA1XPRO and 364 and 364 Triton Tr LE5 PCS OEM Parts Repair. This contact rubber is a must-have for any musician who is serious about their craft. It's designed to provide exceptional performance and durability, so you can rest assured that your instrument will continue to sound amazing for years to come. Whether you're a professional musician or just someone who loves to play for fun, this contact rubber will make a world of difference in the way your instrument feels and performs. Say goodbye to sticky keys and inconsistent sound. With this product, you'll enjoy a smooth, responsive playing experience every time. But that's not all. This contact rubber is also incredibly easy to install, so you won't have to spend hours trying to figure it out. In just a few simple steps, you'll have your instrument feeling and sounding brand new. So, if you're ready to take your playing to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the Contact Rubber For Korg PA60 PA80 PA800 PA2X PA3X PA4X PA3XPRO PA2XPRO PA1XPRO and 364 and 364 Triton Tr LE5 PCS OEM Parts Repair. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Don't settle for anything less than the best for your instrument. Invest in the Contact Rubber For Korg today and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.